comes in. Now, listen, no matter where you make your money, you're gonna have to deal with people. It doesn't matter if it's your employees or the police. You need to know how to deal with people. Because the difference between knowing how to navigate the social landscape and not is truly the difference between failure and success. You need to learn how to inspire others to fulfill your vision, and also how to not piss off the wrong people. Because let me tell you something, friends are far more useful than enemies. And that's why How to Win Friends and Influence People is perhaps the best book I've read when it comes to understanding human nature. That book and the 48 Laws of Power are your complete